Hi everybody, my name is Epi here, Certified Technical Architect here at Truffle. So I want to talk about Agentforce for Voice. Support has evolved a lot over the last 15 years. In the beginning, everything was form-based. You filled out a form, a web case, or email support@yourcompany.com, and then someone had to manually triage it, respond to it, route it, and quality of support depended entirely on which rep picked it up. Then chatbots showed up. You probably remember those. You had to design all the branching logic yourself. If the customer said they respond with that, they could reset passwords or update records, but most of the time the customer just tried to get to a human. And the LLM wave hit around 2022, and those bots got much better. But there's still one problem. Chat is actually one of the lowest adoption support channels. When something is broken, people don't want to type. They want to talk, and that's where voice becomes really interesting. With systems like Agentforce for Voice, the AI can answer the call, understands the issue, pull data from different systems like Salesforce, and execute real service workflows in near real time. There's no queue needed, there's no wait time, literally no wait time, and it can scale as your business grows. In this video, I'll show you a few scenarios of what this looks like in practice. They built a demo around a retail example where a customer calls because their coffee machine is broken, and the agent can troubleshoot the issue, check warranty, create and update the case depending on what happens. So let's dive in and take a look. So let's start with a simple scenario first. Customer calls because their coffee machine shows an error code, and the Agentforce for Voice agent identifies the customer, looks up the error in the knowledge base, walks through troubleshooting, and the issue gets resolved during the call. There's no human agent involved, and in this case, we're not creating any tickets. So let's dive in. So I'm going to contact this phone number.
Hi, I'm an AI service assistant. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a problem with my coffee machine.
Can you please tell me the model of your coffee machine?
It is a Brewmaster.
Thank you. Could you confirm the specific model of your Brewmaster machine? For example, is it Brewmaster 100,
Where do I find it?
200, or... You can usually find the model number on a label or sticker located on the back, bottom, or side of the machine. Let me know once you find it.
Okay.
Take your time. Let me know once you have the model number, and we can proceed to troubleshoot the issue.
Okay, it is a Brewmaster 200.
Thank you for confirming. Could you let me know if there is an error code displayed on the machine or describe the issue you're experiencing? For example, is it related to water flow, heating, steam, grinding, or power?
I have no clue. Where do I see the code?
Error codes are typically displayed on the machine screen or indicated by blinking lights. If you don't see any codes, could you describe the problem you're facing? For example, is the coffee coming out cold? Is there no water flow?
Okay, I found
or is
it.
the machine?
It's a C04.
The error code C04 on your Brewmaster 200 indicates a system lock. Here are the steps to resolve it. 1. Press and hold the power button and the hot water button simultaneously for 5 seconds. 2. Release the buttons and wait for the machine to reset. This should unlock the system. Let me know if this resolves the issue or if you need further assistance.
Okay, that worked.
Great to hear that. Thank you for reaching out. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.